then also our mind is coming to itself. If somebody died, if somebody is injured.
Understand.
Yeah.
So where you live in Dubai?
In Sharjah, I'm living in Sharjah.
Sharjah? How do you spell that?
Huh?
How do you spell that?
Yeah. Sharjah is near. It is
Near here.
Also a UAE.
You know where?
Yeah, this is the sign. The road is going there. Yeah, Sharjah. And
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Like 7 kilometers from here.
Is it like a lot of? Is it a little bit outside of town or?
Yeah, outside.
Yeah.
Not outside. I think inside in Sharjah also, but cheap from Dubai.
Yeah.
The rent is cheap from
cheaper.
Dubai.
Yeah. Is it like a lot of Indian and Pakistani people living there?
Like same like Dubai.
Yeah, they live like everywhere.
Yeah. Philippines, China.
Some guys don't look.
But we are looking.
Yeah, indeed.
Eigenlijk wel een slecht systeem, want zo gaat het juist natuurlijk manier is ook om lang onderweg te zijn.
Had je ook opgenomen van die dagindeling van?
Weet ik, straks even terugluisteren.
Of hoe zat dat nou? Hij ging 5 uur of zo is je vrij en dan?
Volgens mij ben ik net daarna van ik dacht weer eerder kan.
Maar wat weet je nog wat idee man?
Ja, wel. Ik ben eten slapen van het deel. 9 uur, half 10.
Do you have time to spend with your family and friends here?
Here?
Yeah? I mean after work, is that like?
Yeah. Family is there, but with the friends.
Yeah, I mean, okay. Because I thought your sons and so were also here? Only your
Uncle's
uncle?
sons. Yeah.
Ah, I see.
But he's also working. Yeah, he's working. Difficult work for me. He's also working in taxi, but I'm working 12 hours, he's working 14 hours.
14 hours, bro.
Not continuously, like they are eating, going to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Passing time, like in shopping mall, you can relax, you can walk,
So
you can go to the washroom.
You go there, go to the washroom and go to shopping malls, and then have some food. And
the washroom is also a relaxed room,
and then,
relaxing room.
Yeah, okay, so it's not only for washing, you also go there for like...
Yeah, like for a relax.
Okay. And then what you do? You drink something or...
Yeah.
You smoke the water pipe or... What do they have?
Shisha, no. I'm doing a tobacco here and sometimes smoking cigarette. Yeah. Smoking expensive cigarette, Marlboro.
Yeah? Yeah, because we saw...
In Holland we pay 10 times more for cigarettes.
Really?
Yeah.
How much is a pack Marlboro here?
Yeah?
Like 6 dirham and 50 fils.
6 dirham, that's we pay now 5 times. That's about
125 euros? 125 euros.
That's about €1 and I pay...
Yeah, a little bit more.
20 cigarettes?
Like 25, 30 dirhams.
25 dirham, yeah.
So why you are smoking?
I don't smoke.
No, it's too expensive for me.
Because not smoking is better from these.
Yeah, indeed. But it's but I think tobacco.
The government.
Yeah.
Taxes.
Yeah.
You don't have the taxes, right?
No.
We saw Marlboro. The
big box.
Big box.
20 bucks.
66 dirham. That's cheap. I wanted to buy it for him, but
it is the cheaper.
I think so. Yeah. But for us, it's like
almost the same price as one pack.
Yeah. You can get maybe 2 or 3 packs in Holland, and now we have like how many? 20. 10? Yeah. 10. No, I think 20. There were 200 cigarettes, and it says.
That's why your country is richer. now in my country.
Yeah.
Electricity, you know electricity?
Yeah.
They have a meter for electricity.
Yeah.
That's how many units you are eating in the month.
Yeah.
We remove the meter and we put with the elements of electricity, we put another iron. Huh?
Yeah.
Like we are not paying for the electricity. The water is free from gift from God. Huh?
Yeah,
the canals and the sweet water. Like more pure.
If you live in the mountains, that's very sweet.
Yeah, we are living in mountains.
Yeah, so that's very nice.
Yeah, so that's why our country is poor, that we are not paying to the government, we are eating the government. And in your country, one cigarette pack is 25 dirham.
But then if the government has a lot of money, they can do things like schools and building roads, and that's also important, of course. But it's nice to live that way.
But I think we pay too much.
We pay too much. Yeah, we pay too much.
Everything is more expensive.
Netherlands is rich enough. We should pay less.
We have enough money already. We don't need anymore.
Yeah, tonight we have to go to the airport. Well, what time? Around
12.
Yeah, between 12 and 1.
In the night?
Yeah, and then we're gonna fly to Bangkok tonight.
To Bangkok. You should fly it one time to Afghanistan or to Pakistan.
Yeah,
because
maybe.
it is also part of the world.
I'm not sure if we can go there now.
What?
I think if we go there now, I'm not sure if we can get in the country. Can we? No, because I think you have like the code red countries. I think Pakistan is now at least code orange.
It is still orange?
Yeah, it means like you have like code green. You can go like like safe.
Yeah.
And then you have like orange.
And now the signal of Pakistan is yellow. That you should stop.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, don't come.
But maybe in better times, or maybe just now.
Depends on where you are.
Yeah, also.
Pakistan's a big country,
A danger country.
Well, depends on where you are, right?
But you told like you wanted to go back next year, but then it's like a holiday, or you're gonna go back and stay in Pakistan?
No, you're gonna stay, right? You're gonna live in Pakistan next year, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're gonna stay with your family then?
You also have children?
No.
Not
maybe,
yet.
yeah, maybe in this 15, 20 days, the previous 20 days, maybe see, like that.
Yeah.
So how old are you then?
Huh?
How old are you?
Yeah, what's... can we ask?
Yeah, 22, 23, because I don't remember my date of birth. And
okay.
My father knew him, but...
He didn't write down.
Yeah, I'm 22.
So you're very young.
Yeah.
Whoa. We're like the same age. He's like, what's your age?
I'm younger than you.
20. You're 20 and you're what, 21?
22.
22 and I'm 25.
Oh, you are a senior.
I'm the oldest.
That's why you are in front seat, huh?
Yeah, of course.
That's my wife.
You were